All right, Eric, here we go. So this is cranked up. Master's on about 10. There's so much reverb drive. Really nice sounding. Eric, I'm overjoyed, buddy. I got you right next. Look, I'm gonna whisper to you, buddy, nice and sultry. You're right next to the speaker cab. That Princeton Reverb II, fully cranked up to 10. There she is. Guess what? The reverb noise is down as well. This is what I needed to cap off the week, my man. A nice challenge. The prior tech had fouled up the grounding scheme over on the power amp end. I was getting a little bit of ripple out of the bias supply, so I just made a repair there with some new caps, higher quality. I had like 30 millivolts of ripple on the screens, and then going through the preamp end, I had up to 60 millivolts, which is just way too much. So all that's handled now, and she's dead. Well, she's not dead quiet, but the amp is on 10 now. I don't even have to yell to get over it. So I'm going to weave in what it sounded like prior, just idling, and then say tomorrow or maybe Monday, I'll go ahead and get you a proper playthrough